The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Unclip and remove the housing panel. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new AQ1102C filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the housing cover. Reclip the panel back into place. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Hook the dampener arm back onto the glove box. Close the glove box.